Everybody should have a PowerPoint presentation, so I made your notes for you already. It's going to be a fast-paced seminar. Appreciate you attending this track. I know you had 3 other tracks to choose from. I'm going to try to make sure that you get some good information. We're going to be covering some BMPs. We're going to cover technology first. Put your cell phones on vibrate or off. We got some information back here in the right-hand corner, or to your left, that you can pick up before you leave, and there's the people that contributed from and information that people give me to help with this particular presentation. We have information from Austin, Fort Worth, Houston, Oklahoma City, and Tulsa. Acronyms, the only one you might not be familiar with is DWFS, which is dry weather field screens. We'll be talking about that, and we'll be referring to storm drain instead of storm sewer. MS4 is municipal separate storm sewer system. Every place stormwater flows, and the NPDES is National Pollution Discharge Elimination System. We have 85 minutes. Hold your questions until the end. We'll have a question and answer period. Everybody needs to have a copy of this PowerPoint presentations. Most questions will be answered as we go through the seminar. Basically, to start out with, we're going to have a 33-minute video that covers technology, and a power wash training. We'll start out with that was developed by BASMA, which is in the San Francisco Bay Area. I've conducted this seminar several times, and I found out I get the highest level of retention and the fastest learning if we go over that video and that technology first. Keep track, and if I have any mistakes or inaccuracies, bring those up at the end in the question and answer period. The EPA nor any other regulatory agency approves or recommends any product, processes, or technology of Powerwash.com for Robert M. Hinderliter. Order of presentation will be the BASMA video. It's about 15 minutes. And then a video on BMPs is about another 15 minutes. Then we'll have a regulatory and ordinance review, and then an ordinance implementation review, and then a panel questions and answers. Okay, we're going to start with with a video right quick so we can get, if I can make all this technology work.
Cars, buses, trucks, they all work for us, carrying our families and our things from place to place, but they also work against us, leaking and dripping oil and grease onto streets and parking lots, and releasing hydrocarbons and heavy metals into the air and onto the ground. Cleaning up the dirt left by cars means moving it somewhere else. Even cleaning buildings or walls can put flakes of toxic old paint into the environment. If you wash dirt off buildings, trucks, or parking lots into the streets, you are polluting your own environment because water from storm drains is not cleaned up or treated before it goes into the natural waterways. This means that water and pollutants that get into storm drains go directly into our creeks and lakes and then into the delta, bay, and ocean. And storm drain pollution can harm and even kill the animals and plants that live in and around the water. This video will show you how to pressure wash and steam clean buildings and plazas, how to clean sidewalks, gas stations, and parking lots, how to do the job right without polluting the environment, and how to do it following current laws and regulations.
The compliance aspect and adhering to the rules is really not that difficult. It's just a matter of doing it, knowing what to do and how to do it, and once you have that, it's a done deal.
It's really not as complicated as it might seem.
You just need to apply a few simple rules. Rule number 1. Clean up before you wash down. Blow dirt into piles or sweep it up. Pick up as much dirt and debris as you can and dispose of it properly. When you do dry cleanup first, you save money because you use less water and you have less wastewater to collect or divert. Rule number 2. Wash without soap. Use pressure and steam cleaning alone if it can do the job. For example, on sidewalks. Don't use soap, detergents, or solvents unless you really need them. These cleaning materials are themselves pollutants. They can harm plants and animals that live in the water. Rule number 3. If you do use detergents or solvents, or if oil or grease, metals, or old paint get into the water, keep that polluted water out of the streets and out of the storm drains. Even biodegradable soap can harm fish and wildlife. Biodegradable does not mean non-toxic. The Bay Area Stormwater Management Agencies Association, or BASMA, can help you prevent pollution from your surface cleaning jobs. BASMA pamphlets will give you clear guidelines and suggestions. Streets, parking garages, and parking lots are major sources of pollution. It's illegal to clean parking areas by discharging the wash water into the storm drain or street. You must collect the wash water and dispose of it properly. Here's one example. Before this dirty parking lot is cleaned, a mat is put down to cover the storm drain. A portable boom is carefully placed to direct the water toward the covered drain. A shop vacuum and hose are placed near the drain.